Today we will be doing some applications on trigonometry. Applications, we use trigonometry to measure the height of a thing, height of a minor, height of the pole, height of the heel, so on. And or we use, that is, or we use the depth of a sea, or the depth of a sea, or below the things which we no, we use two words, that is two terms, that is angle of elevation and angle of depression. Suppose I am looking up. Suppose I am looking up. My eye rays are going there, and the angle which is made with the horizon, that is equal to, we call angle of elevation. जैसे we are, angle of elevation is this, that is, this is angle of elevation. My eyes are here. My eyes are here, and this ray is going up where I am looking at, and this angle is theta. This is called angle of elevation. This is horizontal line. Angle of elevation of elevation. Okay. Now, angle of depression. Suppose I am looking down. I am standing on third floor. I am looking down. Suppose I am looking down. So, the angle made by my eye rays with the horizontal line is called angle of depression. Angle of depression is this. This is my horizon. This is my horizontal line. Horizontal line, and I am looking here. I am looking here. That is angle theta again. This is angle theta. This is angle theta again, and this is horizontal line. Horizontal line. And this is this one is depression. This angle is called angle of depression. I'll teach you how to do the sum with the help of these two. Come on. Then the question 1 I give you. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Okay. Now, this is the tower. This is the tower. The angle of, it is said that angle of elevation from a point. This is the point, and this is horizontal line. Point, angle of elevation. Just now I told you elevation. What is that elevation? This is 30 degree. They have told you it is 30 degree and 30 meter away. 30 meter away. We have to, from the, this is the tower. AB is the tower and P is the point. Okay. AB is the tower and P is the point. So, we will write, we want to find out the height of the tower. Height of the tower. Let AB be the tower solution. Let AB be the AB is equal to height of the tower is equal to H, I say. H, okay? And P is a point, P is the point 30 meter away from the foot of the tower, we have to find the height of the, that is, say, we have to find H. Find the height of the tower. So now we know in right triangle, this is right triangle. In right triangle, PBA, APB, ABP, right triangle APB, right angle that B, okay, then we will write, that is given what, 30, I have to find H, that is AB, that is H by 30 is equal to tan of 30, because tan is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Tan of 30 is equal to, you know, that we have done it, 1 by root 3. Therefore, height is equal to, H is equal to 30 by root 3. That is equal to, I can multiply this into root 3 into root 3. That is equal, divided by root 3, that is 10 root 3 is equal to, root 3 is what? 1.732 meter is equal to 17.32 meter. 17.32 meter. Yeah. It's okay. Fine. Angle of elevation is that. Okay. The question says that from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a building 20 meter high is 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Okay. So I have to, I explain you that let AB be the building and AC be the tower. And I have taken this is as H. And P is a point at a distance, that is X meter, say. Okay. So now the solution is, let AB be the building, height of the building, is equal to 20 meter. AC is equal to the transmission tower, height of the transmission mission tower that is equal to H, say, we will say that H, and angle of elevation, this is angle of elevation of the bottom, 45 degree, and angle APB, and P is a point, let X meter away from that building. Okay. X meter, and angle APB is equal to 45 degree. That is equal to angle of elevation of the bottom of elevation of the bottom angle of elevation of the bottom, and angle CPB is equal to 60 degree, is equal to angle of elevation of the top. Now in right triangle ABP, right triangle ABP, P, 20 by X, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse, base, is equal to 45 degree. That is equal to 1045 is 1, is equal, implies that is 20 by X is equal to 1. Therefore, X is equal to 20 meter. अच्छा. Again in right triangle CBP, this height will be 20 plus H. Yes, 20 plus H divided by X. 20 plus X divided by X is equal to tan of 60 degree. Therefore, implies 20 plus H divided by 20. Already we have done X is 20. That is equal to tan of 60 degree is root 3. Tan 60 degree root 3 implies 20 plus H is equal to 20 root 3. I cross multiply 20 root 3, I cross multiply, implies H is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. I take common from it. 20 I take common. Then I get root 3 minus 1. That is equal to 20. What is root 3? 20 into 1.732 minus 1. That is equal to 20 into 0.732 is equal to, now I multiply, this is 4, 6, 14 and 1 0. Then 1 0, 3 zeros will be here. Then that is equal to 14.732 meter. So height of the therefore h will be implies h will be, that is 14.64, that is 14.64 meter. Done.